Hey, Ross.
Hey, Kev.
Solar, okay. So what are we talking about today? Improved efficiencies, new technology? What do you got for us?
Troubleshooting.
What?
Yeah, troubleshooting.
Really?
It doesn't happen often, but occasionally you hear of failures of wires.
Man.
And look at this. So this came off of a rooftop solar array, 20 panels total. This is one of them.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That is completely shredded. What the heck caused that?
Nibble marks. Is that a clue? Squirrels.
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah.
They like wires too?
So if you think about this installation, right, up on a roof, you got the frame, you got an air gap between it and the roof. And that's a perfect place for squirrels to get in behind the panels.
But why are they chewing wires? What do they like about wire?
It's their teeth. They grow 10 inches a year.
Their teeth do?
It's a teething toy.
Cut it out.
Yeah, they love plastic and they want to get right through it, and that's what you get.
So they have to chew.
They're just chewing away.
And I presume this means the panel's completely shot.
Compromise, yeah. Yeah, so in that installation, all 20 panels got replaced. 12 out of the 20 completely failed. They also go after the main bus wiring and the inverter wiring. And you can see they went right through.
We should not be seeing the colored wires
To
back
the solid
in here.
black like that.
Wow, that is unbelievable.
So compromised completely.
So what's the solution? Because I've chased a lot of squirrels in my days and they're hard to get rid of.
The simple solution is a mesh barrier. So it's like chicken wire. It gets mounted around the perimeter of the entire solar array, and it basically becomes a block between the panels and the roof.
So cage them out.
Try to keep them out, yeah.
Just like a
Thank goodness this homeowner had monitoring. So they could
Oh.
actually see that there was a problem and that 12 panels out of the 20 had been knocked out. If they didn't have monitoring, they wouldn't have known, and it could have been years before they actually got noticed.
Just squirrel food for 20 years.
That's right.
So whose nickel is all this done on?
So on PPAs and solar leases, it's on the solar provider.
So, okay, the person who owns the equipment.
The people, yeah, exactly. And then if it's an owned system, it's on the homeowner.
Right, got it. All right. Well, good information, and well, now we know.
Cheap insurance.
Yeah, thank you, Ross. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.